Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, I am fresh as a flower. Thank you asking for me. What about you?
Yeah, thank you for giving this opportunity. It's my pleasure have you here, and I am doing well. Thanks for asking.
And have you had your breakfast?
Yeah, also I have done my breakfast.
Okay, so what do you usually have in your breakfast?
Yeah, it's sprouts. I usually have breakfast.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
So, did you take any session today?
This is my first session in YouTube. Means recently I decided to learn the English communication purpose.
This is first
So
conversation.
yes, yes. This is my first
So,
conversation in YouTube
it's
video
my
session.
pleasure.
Yes, yes.
So, are you nervous?
No, no, but some.
Little bit. I can understand.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So, we are meeting very first time. So, I would love to know about yourself little bit.
Okay. Thanks for me. And myself, Aswani Dwivedi. I am working professional in IT field. Last 2 years of working, and recently, I, pre- I improved my communication skills. And last 1 month, also I use my practice in S2LC app. And sometimes whenever we get time to try to practice reading and listening part. So
Okay.
that's on my side. And if I talk about my hobbies, I am tech savvy person. As I working in the IT sector, I have to upgrade myself and indulge myself to learn the new technology. But nowadays I am observed with English, and I am putting lots of efforts to improve my communication skills. So that's all about me.
Okay, great. First, you can sit proper because you are moving a lot.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much for accepting my request. So, as you already know, my name is Pooja Verma. I am from UP. I live in Kanpur. I have completed my postgraduate in education. And apart from that, I have a small YouTube channel where I upload conversation video and short video, and I am learning and growing. That's all about me.
Okay.
Why are you learning this language? What is the purpose?
Yeah, also I'm working professional in IT field, and in IT field, it's compulsory to you have better fluency, right? Also, I'm right now I'm working in IT field in Noida location.
Okay.
Last 2 years of working, and I think I switched the job, other job, but I feel that means I don't have to better fluency. So that's why I decided the before 2 months. Firstly, I means my improve my communication skills and then switch the other job.
Okay. So
And yes,
where do you
yes,
practice? Do you have WhatsApp group and any other app?
yeah. Means last 1 month, I joined this app WhatsApp group, and then as well as whenever we get time, I get time to try to practice as fluency app. Means both channel.
There is some network issue in your side.
No, no network issue, not network issue. But now I'm audible properly.
Okay, yes, now you are audible. Okay, today I would like to some situation. I will give you some situation and you can describe. Are you comfortable?
Yes, yes, I'm comfortable.
Okay. Suppose you are going to school, an important
Right.
exam. Unfortunately, you missed the bus and the exam will start in 20 minutes. What would you do? What will you do and how will you manage that situation?
Manageable suggestion, but I'll try to this my suggestion. Means firstly important to the situation. means we have far along to your schools, and I try to other activities like in bike and car.
Yeah,
We have go
I
to the
can.
yes your college.
Yeah. So at that situation, we can do one thing. First of all, if we miss the bus, so we can find the auto rickshaw, and we can call their parents and otherwise friends
Yes,
if they will available, so they can we can go in the school. Otherwise, we can call the like a teacher because I will be late. Because I have
yes,
stuck in the traffic. So I we can say like that, and yes, and sometime if we get late, so at that way we can handle the situation very smartly.
yes, yes.
Yes,
Thank
and
you,
my
ma'am.
next
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, and my next vision. Suppose you are going to office. Okay,
All
listen
right,
very
all right.
carefully. Listen
Yeah,
very
yeah.
carefully. Okay,
Okay,
suppose you
okay,
are
okay,
going to office and you already got late. Okay, and
okay,
you have stuck in the traffic. Okay, and
yes,
the lady, she is a old lady, and she want to try to cross the road, but she can't able to cross the road, but you
yes.
already got late, so you will help her to cross her road, otherwise you will go from there.
Was okay. Definitely. Firstly, I help her. Right. Already, I have led the my office. So, firstly, in my situation that handle to in my community will tell me. Firstly, help to the her younger lady, right, and then go to the office.
Yeah, it's great because helping to each other, it's a very good habit.
Yeah, yeah.
And yeah, if we already got late, so little bit we can all late, and we can help that women to cross the road, and after that we can
Yes.
go the office, because maybe I think boss will shout, but we can listen little bit.
Yeah, yeah, I don't have much problem we have in office. Like is that in not of that situation we have in school or college in office. Like
Yes.
so that is manageable things. We have late.
Mm-hmm.
Also in every working place we have reached the late. So definitely you leave the office in late. That's a simple.
Yes.
And I want to ask one question.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, means nowadays fully I decided to the learn English, and also I have very less time to improve my communication. Also, even I am working last 2.5 years, 2 years and a half, 2.5 years, and I want to switch the other job, but I don't have to better fluency. So, which kinds of activities to follow the as much as to improve
Yes. Uh,
communication?
yes, as you told, you have been learning this language. Yeah, you have been working here for 5 years, right? You are not improving yourself. You
Yes,
can't
yes,
see any improvement. So I think you lack of practice. You don't do practice every day. You don't learn vocabulary every day, because when we learn new vocabulary, when we communicate with people, so definitely sooner or later you will see drastically change in your speaking, in your journey. Because in my case, now eight month has been completed, nine is running. Okay, but
all
I
right.
can see I have improved a lot, because I don't break the consistency. I always follow the consistency, and I always practice with someone whether I am tired or not. So you can also do, at least you have 20 minutes, sometimes 50 minutes, so you try to connect with people. And otherwise, we can practice with chat GTP.
Yes, yes,
Because nowadays there are so many platforms available. We can practice like chat GTP and Peerup app, CV app, and with your friends.
yes, yes.
Yes, because when we see any other people like, oh my god, he speaks very well, but I can't able to speak like him. But we see, and after that we started their journey, we can start very excitement. Okay, we can start very excitement, but after 4 months, 5 months, they keep their journey because they think it is not my cup of tea. I can't follow the consistency every day. But you can see any places, any like a field. If we try to do something new, so first of all we have to face many problem. Okay,
All right, all
many
right.
problems we can't achieve one day.
Okay.
Yes, so you can also do, I think you should follow the consistency, you should practice every day. Whenever you are free, at least you give time for yourself, and you should learn new vocabulary, at least one and two new vocabulary. And after that you use in your conversation. At that way you will see drastically change in your speaking, in your journey. Because I do like that, I always do.
Yeah, yeah, wonderful.
Yes.
Okay. And just I'm asking you one more question. Means what's your going on English journey and what which type of activities you follow the and maintain the consistency that's level on your communication. And in as well as you aware about me in your YouTube journey, what's going on?
Yes, if I talk about my YouTube journey, so my YouTube journey has been going on fantastic because last month I started my YouTube. I started making video through the video session. Okay, through the video session, because earlier I used to practice like through the audio call only. And after that, I created my YouTube channel. Yes, 1 month has been completed for my YouTube
Okay,
channel. Okay,
okay, okay,
and second is running. And if I talk about how can I practice, so as I already told you, I don't procrastinate my practice. I always practice with like with my co-learner, with my friends, because before learning I had a no friends for
okay,
improving myself, but now I have friends, so I talk with them, I call them. And otherwise now I think Shibi app, Peerup app, there are so many platform I practice like that.
okay,
Because consistency plays a vital role our life. If you want to enhance your communication skills and enhance your fluency, so you must be follow the consistency. Otherwise there is no any shortcut place,
yes,
right? So you can do, or yes, because I always follow the consistency as I already told you, right?
okay, yeah, yeah, all right. Also, this is my English journey means before 2 months I decide to fully consistent to maintain the English.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
whenever I get yeah also working in professional, so I don't have too much time, but whenever we get I get time to try to practice S fluency app. And then as well as last time last 1 month I joined this app, WhatsApp group and S fluency app. And whenever I get time to practice in audio call. And today is my first video session. I try to in future every day I'll try to practice whenever I get time to video session as well as. And apart from that, whenever means every day at least 1 hour to reading practice and then listening practice, right? And also you told me that in many channels you have learning the English like CV app, Spear app and Speak app. But means I support in my point of view in not a better app in YouTube in like PeerUp app and Speak app. But in compare of S-Fluency app.
Mhm.
Yes, S-Fluency app we talk to the co-learner directly, real people, not in AI. In
PB app, in PREP app, you can talk real people, not AI. Because I use, sometime I use, not every time, because it's been maybe 2 months has been completed. I didn't use, but we can find like real people, not artificial people, not artificial like AI. There is no AI. AI, yes, AI has in
yes,
this app, but according your choice, because if you buy the subscription, so you can talk male and female according your choice. Otherwise, you will talk only male and female, because if you use free of cost.
oh yeah, okay,
Yes. So now I can end up the session.
yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much for your precious
Yeah,
time.
yeah, it's nice talk to me.